Want to build your own custom AI apps? Head over to the Gemini main page, open the side menu, and click on Gems. This takes you to the Gem Manager where you can see pre-made options or build your own. Click on New Gem to get started. Give your custom gem a clear name, like Travel Planner. Next up, we need to add a description and a precise set of instructions to define exactly how it should behave. Let's head over to ChatGPT to pull a highly optimized prompt template. In ChatGPT, search your prompt library for a detailed setup. This expert budget travel planner prompt outlines everything: target location, budget tracking, transport, and itineraries. Run the prompt to generate the structured custom instructions. Once generated, copy the full role definition and response requirements. This template ensures the AI will always format trip summaries, cost breakdowns, transport options, and safety tips into clean, scannable layouts every single time. Switch back to Gemini, paste a quick placeholder in the description, then paste your massive prompt into the instructions box. Preview the setup on the right, make sure everything looks solid, and hit save to launch your new custom gem. Now, open your brand new travel planner gem and test it out. Simply type a basic request like, "Create a weekend plan for me." The AI instantly triggers your custom rules, asks for your preferred vibe, and delivers a fully tailored trip plan. Scroll down to check out the output: a day-by-day itinerary, an exact budget breakdown table, transport and stay recommendations, and crucial local travel hacks. For more deep dive AI tutorials and workflow guides, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.